Step 1. Line the acupressure mat with a single disposable sheet and then request the client to lie down. If it still feels harsh, add another layer of disposable sheet. Step 2. Take a few drops of the Nabi Sutra oil on the palm with the help of the dropper. Pour it on the navel area and massage in circular motions to penetrate this medicinal oil into the body via the navel. Step 3. Let's take the Ayurvedic Kumkumadi Tailam cleansing balm on the palm. Warm it up with the fingertips to activate the active ingredients. Then apply on face and neck. Gently massage in upward circular motion. See the makeup come off completely and finally clean with a wet tissue. Step 4. Let's take the Ayurvedic haldi, honey and coffee scrub on the palm and add a few drops of water to emulsify. This scrub has pure organic sugar and Arabica coffee which will melt a bit after adding some water and make the scrub quite gentle. Apply on face and neck and gently massage in upward circular motion to exfoliate and then wipe off with a wet tissue. Step 5. The Ayurvedic Malai Mulethi mask. Let's spray 2 to 3 pumps of water to prep the skin. When the skin is damp, the absorption of the product is always better. Apply a thick smooth layer of the mask and allow it to dry. Right after the application of the mask, place the 7 natural crystals to the designated areas of the body as per the leaflet. And finally, wipe off with a wet tissue. Step 6. Take the Ayurvedic 15% Amla Vitamin C serum on the palm and warm it up with the fingertips to activate the active ingredients. Gently apply on face and neck and massage in upward circular motion until it absorbs into the skin. Place the crown crystal on top of the client's forehead and massage with the crystal gently. Step 7. Place the gold leaf on the face and then take the Ayurvedic Kumkumadi Tailam and Haldi massage cream on the palm. Warm it up with your fingertips to activate the active ingredients. Apply on face and neck and melt the gold leaf into the skin by gently massaging in upward circular motion. Place the third eye crystal between the eyebrows and massage gently with the crystal. So for step number 8, we need to be really quick. It is the Kesar Chandan Shehtoot Peel Off Mask. Mix the powder and the gel in a bowl rapidly to make a thick paste and make sure the mixing is done within 30 to 40 seconds max. Do not take the mixing casually. As soon as the mixing is done, pour the mask on the face and neck in one go. Skip doing it in small parts. This entire application should be completed within 3 minutes because the mask solidifies pretty quickly. Place the crystals on the designated chakra areas of the body as per the leaflet while allowing the mask to dry. Finally, remove the crystals and gently peel off the mask. Step 9. Let's take some of the Ayurvedic Ashwagandha and Mulethi sunscreen on your palm and warm it up with the fingertips to activate the active ingredients. Make small dots all over the face and gently massage in upward circular motion until it's absorbed into the skin. Step 10. Because we love to pamper our clients and want the results of this facial to be super long lasting, this take-home Gulab Kesar mask is a little gift for your client. Apply the mask on a clean face before going to sleep at night. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and let it work. Gently peel off the mask and do not wash your face. For best results, massage the leftover elixir in the sachet into your skin and let it absorb. Over this, feel free to apply any night cream if you wish to and wake up to absolutely glowing skin in the morning.